Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to present about ethane for our group project for subject organic chemistry. We are from RIS 125-1F. So my name is Aiman, together with my friend Firdaus, Irfan and Amir. So we are going to present about ethane. So first of all, the introduction of ethane. So ethane appear as colorless, non-toxic gas with a peculiar odor. Ethane has a molar mass of 30.07 gram per mole. Also has a boiling point of negative 89 degrees Celsius. Ethane has a molecular formula of C2H6 or also can be written as CH3CH3. Ethane is the simplest composition, followed by methane. It contains 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. And lastly, ethane is bonded by covalent bond. So for next, I will pass to Irfan.
Okay, use of ethane in daily life. The first one is production of ethylene. Ethane is subjected as feedstock to steam heat of temperature range of 750 to 950 degrees Celsius. This process cracks the hydrocarbon to smaller hydrocarbon called ethylene. The second one is as a fuel source. Ethane is clean and can be turned to liquid form at higher temperature. It saves the environment, and most important is that ethane is the future of fuel. The third one is as a automotive antifreeze. When mixed with water, ethane lower the freezing point of water. Therefore, it is used in automotive cooling system to prevent freezing of water in the system. And the last one is as a power production. Ethane is easier to liquefy, transport, and gasify. This nature of ethane helps reduce transport costs. For the next slide, I will pass to my friends.
Um, for the structure of ethane, its chemical properties it's act as a raw material for the production of ethylene by the process of pyrolysis, which three CH3 CH2 plus H2. In several gas processing plants and units, ethane is separate from the other constituents of natural gas. It can be produced using sodium propionate in the laboratory method. The mole of the C atom equals uh, 12.1 gram and 1 mole of the hydrogen atom equal to 1.0079 gram. So, upon calculation, one molecule of C2H6 or the molar mass of C2H6 is 30.07 gram. Ethane can be also be easily created in laboratories using cold bed electrolysis, where a solution of acetate salt is electrolyzed. Meanwhile, from the physical properties, ethane is a natural gas that found abundantly in nature. Being a greenhouse gas, it is found in fossil fuel. In the composite of natural gas, it is found in 5 until 10% concentration. Under normal temperature and pressure condition, ethane remains colorless, odorless, and is a highly flammable gas. The alkane has a melting point of negative 182.8 Celsius and a boiling point of 89 degrees Celsius. Alkene with a larger number of carbon atoms have higher melting and boiling points. Ethane is partially soluble in water and is lightly than lighter than air. With change in the parameter of temperature and pressure, it can be changed into other state of existence like solid. So next I will pass to my other friend.
Uh, uh, Chemistry behind ethane and how it's work. First, preparation of ethane. The most direct method of manufacturing ethane is to distill and purify crude ethane. It can also be prepared by converting ethane to ethylene and hydrogen by the reaction of hydrogenation and carbon monoxide over an ion catalyst. Second, after methane, ethane is the second largest component of natural gas. Natural gas from different gas fields varies in ethane content from less than 1% to over 6% by volume. Prior to the 1960s, ethane and larger molecules were typically not separated from the methane component of natural gas, but simply burned along with the methane as a fuel. Third, the chief use of ethane is in the chemical industry, usually uses as a catalyst to boost up the reaction. In the production of ethylene by steam cracking, when diluted with steam and briefly heated to a very high temperature, which is 900 degrees Celsius or more, heavy hydrocarbons break down into lighter hydrocarbons, and saturated hydrocarbons become unsaturated. Ethane is favored for ethylene production because the steam cracking of ethane is fairly selective for ethylene, while the steam cracking of heavier hydrocarbons yields a product mixture poorer in ethylene and richer in heavier olefins such as propylene and butadiene and in aromatic hydrocarbons.
So for this slide, we only use two reference from Google. So this is the link is given here. So that's all from us. Our presentation may be ended, but I hope our love story will not be end.